Alright, welcome back to the garage, guys. As you can see, it is dark, but it is a Friday night, and me and the kid here, we're gonna piddle in the garage a little bit with what we got in the box here. Show you what we got. So we got a couple things. I don't know if we might just make this one video. It is going to be kind of long if I do one video, but these are Christmas presents we got from Santa.
Yeah.
I got some new grips for the bike. I've been wanting these things for a while. They're not the heated ones, but you know, I like them. They're the Kahuna hand grips in the black. And what we got in the box here, I'm going to show you that. I'm not going to tell you until I open it because it's awesome. This is something to keep my saddlebags from getting feet kicked across them when people get on the bike. Some people, I'm not going to mention any names, you probably already know, can figure it out. But this is saddlebag lid covers. Not from Amazon.
Yay, they're gonna be good.
So come with I will link this company down below. Their reviews came highly recommended. The box is awesome. Whoa! This let me block your face for a second. Surefire saddlebag lid covers. Made in I think Tennessee or North Carolina somewhere, so it's pretty close. So yeah, we'll get the box open in a second here. It opens up like a pizza box, actually.
Probably because it is a pizza box.
And when you do order these things, it takes about 2.5 weeks for them because they actually make to order. So you got to pick everything. Like you can pick the stitch color. You can pick the stitch design. We went with a like a old school pinstripe kind of thing. Yeah, and the insides are like a fleece felt lining so they don't scuff up your paint. They're held on with zip ties. And yeah.
It's soft on the bottom.
Yeah, let's see here.
So if you get one, you can stuff it in your face because it's soft.
They're held on with Velcro, not zip ties. I don't know why I said zip ties. But it's got some two-sided, really strong Velcro that's going to go on there to hold that on. So, yeah.
I hope it holds it on.
This is your receipt, and we got some more goodies right here. Some alcohol prep pads before you put the two-sided tape on there. Yeah, and they got just some business cards.
Oh.
You can have one. Here you go. It also comes with a couple of business cards, and like I said, I'm gonna link everything down below, the website, and the phone number, and we got some swag. As you know, I like stickers. Like I said, we got the saddlebag covers, and we're gonna put our grips on too. We will do the saddlebag covers first. I'll put notes on the screen of what we're doing, because we're gonna blur the radio and jam out some music.
Rock and roll.
Yeah. the saddlebag covers. We got them on. That looks awesome. You can see the nice embossing from the pinstripes. But you can do flames, tribal. There's some other different stuff, but I liked the pinstripe look. Actually pretty snug on there. You can still work your latch and everything. It does take some time to get broke in, so it takes a little bit of effort to close them, but they said over time they'll break yourselves in where you can close them and shut them, or you can open and shut them no problem. So yeah, that'll keep the feet marks down. Plus it makes it look kind of good. There is a pretty good scratch on top of that saddlebag, and that kind of covers it. So
good.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to work on the grips. I don't know if we'll film taking it apart, because all you got to do is just do these 2 screws in the back and then there's 2 on the front on both sides. So let me get those off and then we'll show you how to put those on. We got the handbrake off, or the clutch. You will have to take your mirrors off and your hand guards if you have any. We have Memphis shades, so they kind of get in the way of the screws that are on the back. Ugh. And when you take your controls apart, front cover will slide off, and it'll be a dummy like I forgot to do and take this piece off the back because it dropped on the floor and scratched it. So, camera's dying. You stupid. Hang on, let me get the charger for the camera. Okay. Until the camera dies, I'll kind of explain. It's going to cut off here in just a second anyway. And then whenever it does, we'll come back and show you at the end whenever I have everything together, because I'm not waiting on this to charge. When you get the controls off this side, if it's not glued on, it should just pull right off. Not all of them do that. A lot of them I've seen in the videos, you have to actually cut them off. So, there you go. You can have that.
Yeah, you get to keep it. It's a microphone. Hi.
Okay. It'll be weird for a second.
Okay.
This is our new ones we're using. We're going with black. This is the Kahuna with the little red Harley emblem on there. And like I said, it should just slide right on like that. And it actually has a notch to where you can line it up in this housing to make sure it's straight. And you just slide it over the top of it. Something like that.
I could fill this up with water and rinse it out.
And then we'll put our controls and put our clutch lever and our mirror and everything back on this side. You got your front cover, just slides back over top of that. And alright everybody, welcome back. Sorry about the camera difficulties. This thing had been sitting out in the garage since New Year's and we forgot to charge it, so we got a good charge on it now. I'm going to go over and show you everything on the bike. Sorry I've missed most of the install, but I'm trying. Sorry. But we'll start with the saddlebag covers. I think it looks good from the back end now. That'll definitely keep down from the kids running their feet across those when they get on and off. They're so bad for not picking their feet up when they sling their leg over and scratching the top of the bag. This one already had a scratch on it, like right in this area. When I bought the bike, the lid does. This kind of covers that scratch really good, and I can leave those on as long as I want to, because that felt layer on the inside will not mar the paint. So yeah, I like that really good. Like I said, there's plenty of different designs. You get flames, tribal, a bunch of different designs. You can pick your thread color. I went with black, of course, because Black Betty. So, and we'll show you the grips, which these things are so much better than other things. For the install on these things, you got 2 screws on the back side for this, and you got 2 on the front side of this piece. Be careful when you take these 2 screws here out, because all this wants to fall off, even this heavy part. You take these 2 pieces here off, they just split. Then this and your throttle just pulls straight off. And when you pull your throttle off, there's a little gear on the outside of the bar end here that matches up with the little gear on the inside of the accelerator, and just kind of line it up. If you got the same ones I did, I kind of matched it up with that side as far as where the Harley logo is at, so everything turns freely. And when you put everything back together, make sure everything turns freely, doesn't bind or anything like that. On these newer Harleys, the cruise control cancel is to push forward. Make sure that function still works. I already cranked it up and revved the throttle a couple times, make sure everything was free. That side's pretty much the same way. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. They make these in a chrome too, but I'm trying to go with the black theme on this thing, so I think next we're going to try to do something with the seat. I know I got to do the brakes soon. Already got a rear tire. Got to get a front tire soon because it's about as bald as the back one is. I'm just waiting to do the rear tire for when I do the brakes because the pads aren't low, but the front rotors are warped, and the back one's got some pretty deep grooves in them. So we're just gonna do it all at the same time. So yeah, she is definitely looking really good. Like I said, if you guys like the video, go down there, hit that like button for us. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will link all this stuff in the description. These did come from Shop Utah Harley. The grips, they were actually on sale. I bought them Christmas Day because my wife got me gift cards. She didn't know which ones to get me, so I picked those out. And those were SureFireDesigns.com. I will leave a link to everything, like I said, their website and everything, so you can go check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.